70 years ago, this is where everything began for Ashok Leyland. Today, 7 decades of wisdom integrates with new age technology to create a world-class manufacturing unit. This is our Ennore plant. Set up in 1948 as Ashok Motors, the Ennore plant was started as an assembling unit for Austin cars. In 1955, Leyland Motors of the UK came in as an equity partner. Ashok Leyland was born. Over the years, the Ennore plant has grown to become a flagship manufacturing unit of the Ashok Leyland brand. It caters to multiple segments and is diverse in its capabilities.
This is a full-fledged plant where we manufacture engines, gearbox, axles. We build the complete buses and trucks.
With its primary focus on passenger vehicles and trucks, Ennore is designed for high-volume production. Through its efficient streamlining of assembly, Ennore has the capacity to produce up to about 120 vehicles a day. The chassis assembly line also has the least takt time. The world-class engine assembly is capable of handling a range of automobiles, industrial and marine engines. Close to 9 different types of engines are manufactured in Ennore. Every engine produced here is rigorously scrutinized in the state-of-the-art testing unit. Ennore is reputed for its depth of manufacturing. With many critical components produced in-house, the production process is seamless. To test the finished products, the plant has numerous modern facilities. Ennore is situated next door to Ashok Leyland's Technical Center, where ideas are born and developed. Product blueprints are first sent here for production, making it the manufacturing testing ground for all of Ashok Leyland's products.
When the designs are released, the designs are something which has a manufacturing perspective into it, because we believe that we must design to manufacture. And the kind of inputs that the Ennore team is able to give to the designers to say what will work and what will not work, I think that adds a lot of maturity to the design releases as and when they happen.
Being close to the port, the Ennore plant is conveniently placed for exports. More than 12 different international products are manufactured here. The inheritance of its deep history is seen in the experience levels of the 2,000 plus employees and more than 300 engineers.
If you see this plant, the average experience of the employees is around 25 years, and that is a big strength for the plant. And the employees' experience gives us very high quality of the product and the ability to manufacture high variance in the overall assembly lines.
So very nice mix of people with experience and shops which are upgraded and much newer.
Today, the Ennore plant continues to preserve its legacy of being the birthplace of the Ashok Leyland brand, while continuing to move forward with its state-of-the-art infrastructure and its highly skilled and experienced workforce.
In the near future, we will be going for the Euro 6 emission norms. We will be producing Euro 6 vehicles, and our engines will be Euro 6 compliant, and we will also be moving towards the electric vehicles.
Ennore is where the journey began, and it continues on as the flagship plant for the Ashok Leyland brand.